Hi, Don here, the German printing nerd. Welcome to my channel. And I wish to say hi, hello, ni hao, servus, buenos dias, bonjour, salute. Yeah, to all my other new subs. Unfortunately, today, I was hoping this last week I would get my new USB soldering iron. 1 second, please. Got a frog in my mouth. So, but anyway, I did get last week from the UK, strange, from the name is Mofi 3D Tips. Modifi 3D Tips. Strange name. But these are the points, as you can see in the video here. I hope you can see them good. You have one that looks like a knife. Then, yeah, the spoon, well, that is a very small drop of water. And then you have here a bigger point and a smaller point. I'm not sure how good you can see them. I hope you can see them well. But the USB soldering iron, I don't know. In eBay, purchased from a seller in Frankfurt. The post from Frankfurt to Bad Bentheim, where I'm living, that's only about 600 kilometers. Post would take about 2 or 3 days max. But it seems like the soldering iron is coming from China. And I'm not sure why. But anyway, big problem. I would like to use some other words, but we want to keep this children happy channel. At first I thought this is the stop switch for the Z, and I thought that this was defect. This is not defect. Connection is all okay. So it seems like there's a problem in the main board. Well, yeah. I contacted one at Wanhao, because this is the version 1 from the Wanhao A3. Yeah, the main board would cost about 100 euros. However, it would be a newer main board. Yeah. And chatted with a friend. He told me, wait a minute. Then he looked in eBay. Sent me a link to eBay. Yeah, Melzi board. There. Well, about 48 euros, half price. Yeah, but the only thing is, you know, you get the Melzi board, then how do I program it? No idea. I'm not sure. But yeah, anyway, right now that one, you can say a prayer to it. It is dead. And I'm not sure if I want to invest another 50 euros or whatever in that printer, where 50 euros on the side, and the next month and another 50 euros, and the next month another 50 euros, you know, and then buy a new printer. I have found some good deals for some printers today. The links to the Gearbest, what I found in Gearbest, you'll see down in the description. All of these printers, they have been reviewed several times, so I don't think it would be necessary for me to make a review when I get one. However, I will make a video about that when I get one. Anyway, but I do need help getting the money together. As I can see, I have 0 Patreons, and I'm not sure why. And I also see what you can't see, I can see, is on every video the likes and dislikes. I do not know why. It's probably because of yesterday evening with a good friend who was online, and we had some spammers over there, and it could be that the spammers started going to my channel and going to everybody else's channel who was online there at that time, and start pressing thumbs down on every video. Children, if you don't like the video, then go to some other channel. The only thing that you do there is you press thumbs down. Nobody sees that except for the person that has the channel. And that does ruin the channel statistics. You try to make a good channel, you try to do things that other people would interest, but that's not nice. And it would be nice if your children would just keep your hands off of the video buttons. Well, anyway, also, my good friend Alex, you'll see a link to his channel, to his website in the description below. If you are here in Germany and you need something printed and you don't have a printer yet, contact him. He has several very good printers in his printing farm, and right now he is open for business. It would be nice. And if you tell him that Don sent you, you might be able to also get a 10% discount, which is nice. But anyway, let's wait and see if coming week, if something arrives in the post. I do hope so, because my Johnny is waiting for some slight corrections so that I can put the parts together, which is about time to get him done. But thank God, and thank Alex for helping me out. All of the big parts, they were printed from him, and I have everything here now. All I have to do is just do a little bit of body work and put them together, and then I can show you a nice video with the small and with the bigger Johnny. Anyway, as always, please, if not subscribed, do subscribe. Press the like button, or don't press any button. And if you do have $1 or $2 extra to help me get a new printer, my PayPal account is also down in the description. would be nice, because then from the PayPal account I will send that money directly to GearBest. Yeah. Anyway, wish you all a nice day, happy printing, and take care. Until the next time, bye all.